In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own credit card design, also adding small animation effect. So first thing first, I'm just creating an artboard with is 800, height is 600. Then I'm adding one rectangular, (560) cross 350. So I'm aligned to center of the artboard. Yeah, I need little curvy edges, so I'm just adding a radius of 20. Perfect. I don't need the border. Why? Because I'm just adding a little contrast of background. Yeah, looks fine. Yeah, I just thought of having a MasterCard. So we're going to create a MasterCard logo. So as you know, the MasterCard logo is red and golden color. So I'm just adding the color. And little opaque. Little bit. Perfect. And we have to add other element. So that card provider, the bank name. So in the case I'm just calling as a trust bank. Maybe font is 30. Yeah, looks perfect. So I just adding a 40 pixel of top and bottom, like each 40. Yeah, so I'm just aligning to the proper. The second thing, we need the card number. So I need a 4 of them. I'm just using the repeated grid. Yeah, so maybe a little bigger, 32. Yeah, fine. The next, that card holder name. Maybe this is smaller and full capital. So in the case I'm just having my name. Maybe this is 30. And the card valid through. Maybe 0 to 2020. 2. I just added all the elements that I wanted in the card. So now we have to make little perfection. So maybe we can make it a little smaller. Maybe this is also. Space maybe 10, maybe 5. Perfect. So I'm just grouping it. So I'm just make sure that everywhere it's in a 40 pixel of spacing. Yeah, so my card design is complete. Now we have to add some unique element in our design. So I just adding some pattern over there. So I'm just going to be create that. That's very simple. Just use the pen tool. Just add like this zigzag points. So if you double click it, you can get it at each point. So just double click it like this. so you will get some smoothy edges. So I'm just copy pasting the same thing. So I'm getting a good pattern. I'm just grouping it, making little smaller and little tilt, and I'm just sending to the back, and I'm going to be mask this. So I'm just copy this shape and pasting it. I'm just masking with this. So mask is simple. Just what I did, I created a same rectangular. I just click it the background and right click it and mask with the same. That's it. So all other elements supposed to be in a top, so that pattern would be in a background. So also I'm just adding little more smoothness, like I don't want it more prominent, maybe 20. Looks perfect. I'm just grouping everything. Yeah, so we created our own credit card design though. Now I'm just thought of having a one more version in a black. I'm not going to be change anything. I'm just having a little darker. In the case I'm just using the gray color, so it more prominent with my white as well as the dark. It's simple. So my white and dark version are done. The next step, we're going to be creating an animation. So I'm just copying that artboard, and I'm just copying that dark card design, and I'm pasting top of it, and I'm putting one rectangular, and I'm masking with a black version. It's a simple, as I said, just click and mask. In the case I'm rectangular, I'm making it very smaller, so that black version with masked with the white version, the top of it, and I'm copying that the same artboard. Now that mask, instead of 0, I'm making in 100% to visible at the darker version. Now just prototype it, auto animate, easy in out, and 1.5, and same thing reverse, and click it and play it. So your animation has been done. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please keep support.